Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow camera access on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings. So once you open settings, you simply need to go into the app management and click on app list. From here, you need to search for the Instagram and click on Instagram. From here you need to click on permissions, and in the bottom you can see not allowed camera. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see different options, and first one is ask every time, and the second option is allow only while using the app. So I want to allow only while using the app, so you simply need to click on that, and after that you have the camera access. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.